This spectacular low-maintenance custom home was designed and built by award-winning GC Luxury Homes. This home is unique in Castle Pines Village. You'll be impressed by the reclaimed wood accents and details throughout this impeccably beautiful home. Let's take a look inside. As you step into this home, you enter into the foyer with the living room at the far end of the home. This living room is a wonderful space with a gas fireplace and room above it for your flat-screen TV. What a wonderful place to sit and visit with family and friends. The living room opens up to the kitchen and entryway. The fully retractable window wall brings the indoors out and the outdoors in. Sit and look out at the mountains beyond. You'll love entertaining in both of these spaces that become one. Just beyond the living room, you come to the gourmet chef's kitchen that features a large center island that doubles as a breakfast bar. There are beautiful countertops in the island as well as around the perimeter. You'll find ample storage in the walnut cabinets throughout. And it comes with a full set of high-end stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the views from this eat-in area just off the kitchen. Beyond the living room, you come to the main floor master retreat. You'll find a tray ceiling in this large master bedroom. There are large windows to bring in tons of natural light, and the door off the master bedroom leads out to the back deck that we just visited. And the 5-piece master bath boasts dual sinks, a deep soaking tub, and glass-enclosed shower with numerous shower heads. Finally, let's head down to the lower level where much of this level's been reserved for a rec room. Whether you're sitting and watching TV next to another gas fireplace, grabbing a drink at the full bar, playing a game of cards, or exercising in the workout room, this is a great place to have a party. Or you can step out to the back patio and take a dip in the hot tub. There's so much more to see in this home you'll want to come visit it in person. Please call Louie or Melanie Lee for a private showing. You'll be glad you did.